Good morning, especially to you, Sir Gil. I am Prince Hamdan P. Mangako. And today, I discuss the CMO number 3, 2022. Section 2, Administrative Provisions. Transfer of goods to customs bonded warehouse shall be subject to a mandatory non-intrusive inspection where they cover a goods declaration for warehousing or the goods declaration for transit. Unless the goods enter under alert order or selected for physical or non-intrusive examination, the district collector shall allow the immediate transfer of bonded goods to a customs bonded warehouse. Storage periods of bonded goods enter for warehousing for a maximum period of 1 year from the time of its arrival at the warehouse. And the next is allowable importations shall be made within the limits of customs bonded warehouse respective authority license as applied for approved. The volume, quantity of raw materials, the particular unit of measure, like for example the square meter, kilograms, and liters, it is authorized to import. And non-importation of finished goods products except when goods are intended to use in the manufacture of productions, finished goods for export as approved by the Customs Bonded Warehouse Committee. Restricted and regulated goods without the corresponding clearance or import authority duly issued by a competent authority shall be subject to seizure and forfeiture proceedings. Without for local sales, domestic consumption, no withdrawal for domestic consumption shall be allowed except upon approval the district collector as recommended by the operating division, and only upon payment of corresponding duties and taxes shall be approved. And next is withdrawal of subcontracting. Only duly accredited subcontractors shall be undertake subcontracting's job for garments manufacturer. Transfer of materials goods for manufacturing shall be subject to the rules and regulation and approved of concerned government agency. Processing done by the subcontractors, finished materials, and the